Welcome to this Canva tutorial where we'll explore how to embed a YouTube video into your design. To start, find the YouTube video you want and copy its URL from a different tab using Command or Control-C. Return to your Canva design, click on the background, and press Command or Control-V to paste the YouTube video URL. You can resize and position it like any other object. You can also open the embedded link in a new tab, duplicate it, or access more options for alignment and copying. If the manual paste doesn't work, you can use the Canva app feature. Navigate to the Apps section, search for the YouTube, and open it. Here, you can search for videos or paste the URL directly. When you click on it, the video will be added to our design. If needed, paste the video ID from the URL to locate the video. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.